Good evening once more. This is the UpNLive, so we do this each and every Tuesday right here. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All-Star, Fire Q, Daily to Brown Ross, World Mag Entertainment. This is the UpNLiveshow, and like no other week, we have another special guest right here with us, live from a Termite camp. You know, you can go by the name of Fuzzy Termite. You know, we changed the name to Fuzzy Time. You know. Welcome to the show, brother.
Brother.
See it, you know.
Bro, God.
You know, it's been a while. We're trying to get this interview going, but you know what? Not before the time.
True.
Which is why.
This.
So what's good? What's up with Fuzzy right now?
Well, you don't know, brother. We just there promote and I go on to the right thing. We should know we can't do nothing more on the right thing at a time like this. You dig what I say?
Which is right. Who is Fuzzy Termite though?
Well, Fuzzy Termite is a youth forward from Kingston 14. You know, you dig what I say? Grew up. But you don't know we have a strong Ochi present. Ochi present, and we have a strong Clarendon present. So you don't know.
Yeah, I talk the right language.
Pineapple Place, you don't know. St. Anne's Bay, Marley, Windsite, get to the Whole Works Priory. Yeah, mad.
Which part of Pineapple?
Well, I know as far as, I don't know if you know a Bully Cat, I know as far as to a Bully Cat, because he's not a watchy man. You know.
I live next door to Bully Cat.
All right then.
All right
then.
You know what's going on, big up Bully Cat, you know what's going on.
Every time. Big up the whole craft market too. Mad.
Craft, all right, I'm full place.
Mad,
Yeah, I talk my language, people.
Mad.
I'm my past life. If you didn't know me in the reincarnation stage, yeah, I did me that, yeah, watch it, craft market. But anyway, people, Fuzzy Time, you know me, I can run with it. Fuzzy Time, Termite.
For life.
Ah, Jesus.
Well, you don't know, Fuzzy Time still, so you don't know. You're not saying nothing wrong, isn't it? Mad.
Yeah. Recently, you made a change, because I knew you before a couple of years now, and the songs that you used to do, you've changed to me in terms of like your style, your marketing has changed different. What caused that?
Well, as I say it again, we're a big man now, we're not look boy no more. So really we have to think about doing the right thing. And as we're not there Jamaica and I try to come a foreign, we done there already. So here we just do the thing right and focus, because here now certain music not too glorify over here. So here now we are put to head in another direction, because here now Europe there enough man I try to go. You know, enough man with up and boy first say go back to Jamaica, go check. No, me done there already. Me I try to do it. Yeah. Come on, Style G do it. Enough of the youth them do it. I just focus, you have to focus. So that's it.
So
really.
at this we don't understand. Seeing most of the artists in Jamaica, they want to get that big break to come to foreign that they can make that money. But when they are in foreign, they want to go back to Jamaica to make the music. Why is that? And you have everything in foreign to make the music.
As me say, brother, me not see the real. You know what I mean? All right, Jamaica the road, which we all know say the road. But if you notice, I'm on there Jamaica, the first John O. Star, would like to get a tour for come to England. But we done there already. So here we capitalize and focus and just know say we are doing it, because it can come from you, say, you know what I mean? Good publishing and good people surround you, and you push your thing, because you know you have all the social media site now for push your thing. So
only thing in Jamaica that I see that's different from here is the competitiveness stuff down there. So you don't have that stiff competition here as in there that would keep you sharp and keep you in the game. But in terms of what you call it, studios, production, everything is here, because you have a lot of great engineer here, a lot of great producer who are doing the material and are putting out some big songs year to year, because like you could see some of them do it. Even an English-based artist like Ed Sheeran do that song Shape of You. That is a dancehall track he did and make a monster hit out of it. So why a Jamaican here cannot do that?
Makes sense.
True.
So for the people that's watching don't really know anything about you and your musical journey. When did you started this music journey?
All right, yeah. We started this thing from there. Really, coming from Kingston, come and watch it. Trust me, watch it the best thing ever happened to me. You know what I mean? I watch me think about say.
Say it again, brother.
Yeah.
Say it again.
No,
so
listen,
where in what you used to base?
St. Anne's Bay. But through the little music thing, you don't know your artists are perform with their Pineapple, with their Exchange, with their boat. You know what I mean?
So when I speak about St. Anne's Bay, where in St. Anne's Bay to be specific?
Marley, Windsite, the grassroots.
Up Marley, you don't
Marley, yeah, Windsites, yeah. Charlestown, otherwise.
Yeah, because like I'm quite familiar with those places, because I attend Marcus Garvey Technical High School, so Those was places I used to go to play football, and go link people from time to time. So we know the ends properly.
Don't get me wrong, Tivoli Garden I'm a place, that's where I'm growing up. Operation Friendship Basic School, them and Town Primary, Tivoli Comprehensive. But here what? Enough of my friend them not living today. Ochi changed my life. You know what I mean? I have to really give glory for that. You know what I mean? Dunsville Fall Craft Market are the only place them know for us. Mad.
Yeah, because it's a difference when you come that side. Yeah. It's the outreach of life is different.
True.
People more focusing on getting things, and you find less friction with your peers because more people are making money. So it's less friction. When you're on the other side of the island, it's more grimy to me because it's less opportunity.
What I would call it's like a different set of lifestyle. It's a different way of living. Like in Ocherius, like most of the people in Central region depending on tourism to make their bread. Which in Kingston, either you go look at work, and where you say you come from Tivoli Garden, so your background and your area where you come from just
stereotype,
and it's so hard for you to get a job. So come to Ocherius to get a work in the tourist industry. From you come and say that as Jamaican, you have some money. Because you know how we are Jamaican, we can sell a tourist his shirt and then buy back him one shirt from we. You know how we skill.
That was one of the things that I was worried about when I come to England. I running up into people who have soul. I've seen people who have soul and I've tried to convince them it's not me. So, because past life, but anyway, let's not get too much into that. Firstly, is here and the new song that you're promoting right now.
Ghetto Wisdom.
You recently done a video for it.
Yeah.
And who did the video for you?
Well, the video done by Snatchy, You
Yeah.
know what I mean? A guy him label Snatchy.
Was it your concept, the video? Because I see like you're telling a story.
Yeah, definitely. My concept, Because to everything, brother, you have to have a visual, you have to have a storyline towards it, You have to try do the thing, This bag of people, you want to bring something different to the music, like your outline, where I deal with, where I do, what the music is all about. You dig? So I did want to go in more depths, but you don't know where it go.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm satisfied with, you know what I mean?
And was it your first video?
My first video, you know what I mean? My first video, and as I say, I have to give shout out to Damage Music and another tune, Real Friend, on the Reggae Revolution rhythm with Jack Jordan and everybody.
Yeah.
Cape Town and everybody. That's Jagger Ravers, you don't know.
Yeah.
A film production, Reggae Live MB Music. You know what I mean? We're there on that, you know what I mean? We have to promote it as well and keep it more. And think of the next video that's still mad.
So how you get these connects with these producers? Because the rhythm that you're on, that rhythm is in Jamaica is a hybrid rhythm.
Mad.
So it's not a lot of people get to go on it. So obviously you must have some form of connections or what?
No, it's when you feel like say a time now if you believe in yourself, and as we say, we're there foreign already. We're not try if you come here, we're there already. So here, if a music you love and you feel like, because music not pay me right now, but really I look away for it start, because I still have to go to 9 to 5, because I can't eat, I can't drink. You dig me? I say, but for the music, as I say, you have to invest in yourself. You know what I mean? I do the tune, on my own, on the rhythm, and reach out to Damage. You dig me, reach out to them, because you don't know you have social media, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah. Reach out. First, I do the tune and reach out to them. Them never really contact me. I send a little demo. You know what I mean? I say one day, all right then, I send the whole tune to them. I send the whole tune, and trust me, I get a response. You know what I mean? And from there, so
because you realize that you're willing to work.
You understand? And me and them have a little agreement, and you know what I mean? From there, so them dogs them about release a thing, and I say from there, so I just history. They go me, I say which while me I say if I did Jamaica, me this still with a rhythm and get a little bread, and would I get a more mark. But believe me, wait the over here, so it make people kind of know who is Fuzzy Termite.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Nobody never know who was Fuzzy Termite. So me give thanks to that strength there. And I'm on the Reggae Revolution with him, me give thanks. And before that, you know what I mean? Because I really like about around 2.5 years to 2 years now, I start take it serious. We can do this long time because my first time in England, my first time in our studio, a Gappy Ranks came in our studio, Sun Cycle studio down there in Wembley. My first time that in our studio, but you know, you're there, so I look it. You know, nobody else have to gain on. Nobody not help me to come. As I say, give thanks to Ochi. Ochi even make me there. So you dig me, I say,
me and your brother, give
and
thanks.
And a woman bring me come here, so you know.
Yeah.
I just a bridging invite me to something.
Yeah.
You know, introduce me to
a proposition.
All right.
Yeah.
You dig what me I say?
Yeah.
An invitation letter, I'm use my head from this and capitalize on it. You dig what me I say? Now I come here to nobody. But here am I today, you know what I mean? I can travel, I can do things, I just want to get open. But I this. But as I say, I do music serious around 2 years ago where, you know what I mean? All right then, I have an EP out where enough people don't know, you know what I mean? But enough people get a CD.
Yeah, but we are going to promote the EP. What's the name of the EP?
It name music, me say.
Music, you say?
Yeah. 8 tune upon it and none of them I know the tune them we are run the place now, you know. But if people take a listen to them and say, you know, that
So
you have a side to him, you know.
No,
Yeah, but-
because like normal when people release them EP, it should show a different side of the artist that we don't hear from the everyday tracks.
All right.
So I get the concept what you're saying. People, I never know Fuzzy Time for a long time, but
Fuzzy
Termite.
Termite.
Fuzzy Termite.
Yes, it's the name.
Listen,
Fuzzy Termite, sorry.
You see for tonight,
Yeah.
Fuzzy
I want to
Time.
give me the biggest opportunity to move towards
a
the interview. So here,
tonight is
Fuzzy
Fuzzy
Time.
Time.
Yeah.
Put with Fuzzy Time tonight. Yeah?
Tonight.
So, all right.
Termite for life. Never
So
switch from
as
the
what I say, me never know you from a long time, but me start listening to song and me say like, you know there is talent in the music because like
There's
me I
potential
hear
there.
and me can see like, yeah, do with some man now, do you put together your thing them,
Because-
arrange it properly, your song them a mix and thing good. Me I say
Because that is the problem we
that's
have.
the problem we have with so much
And the
people
UK,
sending them
yeah.
song, the UK artists them, and then them cuss you and say yo, you know, play them song and me say yo, I can't play a song if you send me a song, dirty song, can't play it on radio.
True.
You know, mix nor master good. They in arrange good, you're off key, you're not on the beat. Because some of the time, you know you got a studio, some engineer just want to take your money. Them just want to record the song and you
True,
get you out and the next
true.
man. Them not tell say, yo brother, you off key, do back the part, they run it back.
Yeah.
Them not care. If you don't have that ear for music, you don't have somebody around you to tell you say, yo. You get
True.
me?
Mad.
And when me hear track, them I can say, yo, your track is a notch up. You're in that league where me can say, yo,
Yeah, you can't fit in a job.
yeah, you can fit in at the juggling.
Makes sense. The EP you say is called again music.
Music,
Me say.
Music, me say, and you say you
Yeah.
have 8 tracks.
Yeah. 8 track. It depend everything. It then every digital media
So
store.
it depends on every platform. So
Yeah.
people can go support it,
You
you
know
can
what
go
I
buy
mean?
it because like them say music cheaper than a loaf
Yeah.
of bread.
Mm.
Saying? So you can go buy it, assure you less than £3.
And a 8 track, and everything everybody are gonna like. But believe me, when I go listen track pan it, when I go say, you know, I say the tune that makes sense. Cause you know, our everyday living, I walk go on a Jamaica. You dig what me I say? The youth them could just understand and learn. Cause that me I deal with. Cause we not young no more, you know.
Of
Cause
course.
people might say we have the little young face, but believe me, age depend way. You know what I mean? Not to say, but age depend way. You see me? So no matter how many year me I spit. You dig what me I say, age depend way, you know what I mean? So you have to think where you do and know where you say when you have big picnic and big youth. You
Yeah.
dig what me I say, you can't make, you know say, alright then take for instance you pass off or you're gone. We show you now, you know, we now wish dead for our life, but you don't know we're not there to stay. You know when you're gone, when I'm a youth can take up my CD and say, daddy want it and put it in and everybody can listen it. Pure and everything I know say, yeah.
Yeah.
I saw it go. But
I see,
yeah.
you seem very passionate about the EP. What would say would be your more favorite song that you did on the EP?
Alright then, yeah. Yeah. You see program is a serious song, yeah. Music me say a serious song. It tell you about where me I go.
Is that a
everything.
song, the lead song on the CD?
Yeah.
Music, me say.
Yeah. Yeah, I hit me name the EP for.
Okay.
Yeah, but me still wanna call it the lead song, but I hit me name the EP for. Wish while. Positive song, proper song, but program me say poverty, real friend. You understand what I
Yeah.
mean? Them tune there. Yeah, man. Just everybody can take a listen to it, man. You dig what me say? Come I start just flood the CD. But the two main track where everybody I look for, I hear in the dance hall and they look a rotation where I go on.
Yeah.
That not depend on the CD. I just want people hear that side there differently. You know?
Differently.
Yeah, mad.
Makes sense. And you have your Spotify, everything sorted out. and
Everything.
That makes sense. And you know, I really wish all the best for you on the music because I really see you're trying to do it the right way.
Yeah.
And I realize that you are putting in, like, I'm not just saying this, I see you doing stuff and you approaching us the right way and approach you before for an interview and say you're not ready
I tell you,
yet.
say, I'm not ready until I have
Yeah.
a video. You know, I want a visual behind me coming that I know say I come here for a purpose. I'm ready for this now. You see me?
Makes
'Cause
sense.
I could have come long time just jump because I want the limelight. No, this is not about hype. You dig me? I don't know. All right then. Pump this on my tune. Yeah, get a wisdom. It get crazy rotation. some of the dance them, me tell you the truth, I'm a bridging them send me video because let me tell you, a weekend me work.
Yeah.
You dig me I say, so anyway, you see me up on a weekend, effort me put out for that because on the weekend me work. You dig me I say? Yes, so really the rotation me I get, me never, because me one of them artists, you never go see me up at the front of the dance and wait for a DJ play me tune. The tune have to connect, and if you like the tune, you have to play it.
Yeah,
And
play
if the tune means something to you, you have to play it. You know what I mean?
Makes sense.
I mean that. You dig me I
Hold
say?
on there now.
Tune
When
have to
I
help
cut
itself.
you, I put a challenge out to every little DJ. The man them. I'm gonna do a mixtape with most of the artists them who come here and most of the artists them who want the plug when me think their song is good enough. I'm gonna mix it with some of the nowadays banger song them we are calling the dance. And me see you go and me I challenge some of you other DJs too for try to do the same because each one help the other one. So if you don't incorporate some of the man them we out on the ground and do the work in our mixtape and in our thing where people can vibe to in them car because that's the only time some of we are gonna learn something new or run into a new artist some of the time. We are driving on a motorway and you know it changed by chance. You listen to your favorite song in the mix and by chance and you hear something new. And me I go do it before the Christmas.
True.
So that was a joke. So me I promise Uno
Yeah.
I like a mixtape with most of the little artists them where no for one don't know as a big name them, not the Vibes Cartel, not the Movados. But me I introduce a new thing. So look out for it before Christmas drop, you know. Watch a mixtape.
Dragons promise you before
Yeah,
Christmas.
I don't know when I break my promises. So, you know, so look
Makes
out for that.
sense. People, we're here live. If you're just joining us, Fuzzy Termite is here. We cancel his name for tonight. We're calling him Fuzzy Time. Yes, and this is one of the UK's more prominent looking artists. More on the cultural side. He's a dancehall artist, but the music is positive. Is that longevity decision, or is it just for now doing positive music?
No, listen, yeah. We can do every genre of music. Yeah, but if you don't know where I come from, you're not going to know where I go. You understand what I mean? And me I look at Edway out. You dig me I say, I don't know why I just look crossover in Europe so much. You dig me I say, yeah, you know what I mean? I look crossover in Europe so much to try to get it across. You understand what I mean? And trust me, I have to big up all of the youth them in the UK. We are do them thing. You dig me I say, big up Foley Dan. You don't know, big up Parrot, Rudy Classic, I Took It, Mr. Pelpa. Big up all of the youth them do them thing. You dig me I say, because to me, for the last year and two, me not lie, you know me, the rotation in the dance hall, me like how it look for you. Which while me have to give shout out Gappy Rank Stylogy. You dig me? Them man never bust a yard, you know. Them man gravitate from you. Listen here, you can't gravitate from here, so we done there already. You know me? You know make sense. I'm gonna tell you say, you know what I mean, for pay £1,300 and £1,200 for go bust say, you go down a yard, you have to spend, you have to, and maybe sometimes nobody no look on you down there. Sometimes nobody no look. So you know, gravitate to your own. Yes, and because you're there already, you know.
Be their own fan
because,
base, right?
Alright, when you go a yard, instantly you get this imported tax because you're foreigner. So you come there, everything triple.
Yep.
So you know what you think go already. So
me
I tell the artists, them say, we have good studio here, we have good engineer, we have state-of-the-art things in this country. And just you have to put yourself together, get out there on the right lane, and do your music the right way. Like, I tell you, we have this thing we call the plug every week, people. And as well, I tell them from what day, I start drop out some of these bad quality songs. Some of these songs with explicit cause I can't go through 50,000 songs, I edit some song, I clean up some man song scene. So I beg you to please send good. They say like how Fuzzy Time music them nice and I can't play them anyway.
Yeah.
Some good nice music like that.
We have something coming to you know, we have something coming. Yeah. Nobody watch the rush show, we not rush show. We have this man I say, Fuzzy, you need something more. You need Fuzzy, you tell me say Fuzzy you need to promote your thing and get your thing across. Things are coming, you know what I mean? You have the year just go start in a January. Year done already, you know, things coming because you know anytime we are come, we don't start on a platform already. You dig me I say for try to get a thing, I just say mix and master properly, it'll come. You dig me I say it'll come.
We will be definitely distributing as soon as they reach, alright? So this is the part of the show now, you know, we're boiling on the time, so we're just gonna vibe a little bit.
Yeah.
A Dragon time of the show this now.
I know a Dragon thing, you know, come watch it and see when come hard, you know, come hard with the thing more.
You know you're gonna so today me start a bit slow, then me get a bit hard, yeah?
That's the thing.
So ready now?
Alright. Are the new gel Termite? You don't know. You know them know? UpNLive. Alright, UpNLive are the place to be. If you get the music across for the world to see, just like and share them focus. Believe in the youth them. Alright.
Now hold on now.
Yeah.
Artists, when you see what I go on,
Yeah.
creativity.
Mad. You know what me tell them, sir? You know what me a focus on? My career. UpNLive, dream team, alright. Now me want to get the big tune and go a lot of places. Travel first class, see a lot of faces. Do a lot of good and set a lot of paces. Now that redeem me so bad it get nominated. Me wonder why I meet them, why they underrated. Me wonder if I to them see me wear the glasses. Vocabulary higher, who them a ramp with. So me lean sideways and brush off the crosses. Alright, Chico and my friend a him me used to par with. R.I.P. me na sell out the linkage. Tiggy and me Jenna Stinger and me link. And a be a hot gal man a run place because of music me say. Me want me family fi proud of me. Me have my mind for me money and me money for me mind and me I go hard for mine today. And when me tell them a music me say, it's the same gun. Are the same gun. You tell me say, alright. Me tell them white tees, blue jeans and TN. Step out clean like me I come from heaven. 8 me no do. Me things stop at 7. Heart clean like water man I saw the thing govern. Anyway we did the party buck. Liquor day a foot man sipping it up. High grade in a hand man puffing it up. Tight something in a shots them grabbing it up. Enjoy myself me no matter the crowd. Rum me a drink that me can afford. In a me own a lane me keep me hype on the crowd. Cause me think turn up loud. Alright. You think of that? Yeah. Alright.
Now, people, this one is all about fuzzy time on the rhythm. It's all about fuzzy, you know, theme time now. Let's go. Now, Termite, ready for them?
All right. So get a youth, don't cry. You got to hold your head up. Even though the road is tough, me nah give up. Me I go try and pull my socks up. Cause of the dirty life me want shake up. Again, don't cry. You got to pull your head up. Even though the road is tough, me nah give up. Me I go try and pull me socks up. Cause of the dirty life me want shake up. Now of them big tune ya fussy Termite a focus with me career. This year me serious first time in a studio. God know me did nervous. But of them bad tune ya them me a focus. All youth and youth who no get up out of no bed. Who no make we buckle down and make we run things red. And give the fussy wall them the full 100. Make who fi live and who fi dead don't cry. You got to hold your head up. Even though the road is tough me nah give up. Me I go try and pull me socks up. Cause of the dirty life me want shake up. Again don't cry. You got the same gun.
One part of the same one, man. Go on to the freestyle for them. You know when I change the beats?
You don't know. Alright. Girl, you hot, me say you hot without a doubt. Hatty girl, my be gonna jump and shock out. Yeah, did be ones them wanna hush up on the mouth. Cause a straight hot girl me a tell fi scream out. No, girl you want me say a long time. I know just now you a wear Calvin Klein. Some girl out a road favor Franklin Stein. Grudge you, so you a wear the latest design. Every night man check you in a dinner.
Oh, there now.
Every night.
Now we like the vibe, we like the energy, of course.
Fuzzy
Termite in the building. You know, I'm like the one job something now. You mean? You understand? Well, you know what?
Right.
Give thanks in the belly. You should have go. You go on now. You know me and first I collaborating. You want to go first?
You think of that?
Alright, you start it. Go on.
Hey, wicked people, don't stop from the bad. Kill it, get a youth and a do it like you're glad. Hey, wicked people, don't stop from make fuss. It's one of these days, who no must buy the dust. Now imagine, see the woman pick me a pass. Yeah, your friend them sit down and a pass be a remarks. When you check it out for you not in a class, but you sit down for a road and you not stop find fault. Now imagine, living in your community. You lost something and the next man find it. Him even have the heart for carry man for claims the while all in your mind for use a knife and stab it. Imagine, yeah, your friend a come from far. You work hard and you buy a new car. Him and him friend them sit down and them a blur and them a plan out a way how fi come take your car. But imagine, you never even a penny them star. You side that and you start to move far. Them find out say you and them stop from par. So them gonna hope your man go right off your car. Don't cry, you got to hold your head up. Even though the road is tough, me nah give up. We have to try and pull your socks up. Cause of the dirty life we want.
Give up.
Alright, go and go look at work and stop the pen from mama. AIDS a go run, so you protect little brother.
Yeah.
Kill these people, man, them must get flatter. Watch where you a go, hammer you meet up in a clutch. And now me gone all over, gone talk to the shatter. East and west, them feel live like brother.
Yeah.
Seize all the gun, you cause things can be better. The system you designed for us to kill you one another. Now, I saw it's there.
What's the Termite people?
I saw it's there.
I'm gonna forgive my verse. You ready for my verse?
Give me a verse, now, man.
Alright, ready up now. Rick up on live.
All
Let me
right.
read. They act as if they don't have no sense. And I know them are not false pretense. Act as if them are your closest friend. When them are your enemy, you stab you on your back and come and false pretend. Scannaling and bad influence, a hypocrite and parasite. The whole of them burn down the Rasta and go like, yo, what's up? Ripper!
Let me give you one more place before you cut. Alright. Tell them say we born for this. DJ Rick now we born for this. Dream Team make them know say we born for this. Alright. So long time in the business, now me just ready for focus. The fans them out a road a ask Termite. You serious? The girl them on the other side I say how much I'm curious, but I'm moving to this money like the fast and the furious. Every day
Yeah.
me get up with a million plan fi
Yeah.
make me mother happy are the greatest one. Enough of them not like me. Them even try fi bench me if it come to the test. Me get a million wrong, but
Yeah.
pen to the paper everything is going right. Money in my pocket now, that's why them say me hype. I work me I work so me entitled to me right. So low me and so tell me say me hype. Alright, tell them daily no day me not fi scuffle. Anytime them say we fly, hustle we go hustle. Now some punk out a road them a fi itch make a muckle. So low we make we work on lolly double. Get a youth don't cry, you got to hold your head up. Even though they mad.
I mean, we can love it.
Upnlive.
You're up alive.
Mad.
You know, the boss just getting in the rims a while ago and just getting in the
Yeah.
comfort zone and just love that right. Yeah, man, give thanks enough for
Give
the
thanks, give thanks.
for the movements and for the coming through to the show.
Yeah,
really
you don't know, you
appreciate
know.
it.
Me have to big up, you know. You don't know.
You understand?
Shotty Mark, brother for life, buckle match buckle. You don't know the 23rd. You dig what me I say. Big up every individual Termite, you know. Termite for life, me say. I say big up all of the youth them in the street.
Yep.
We are hold it and I do the right thing, cause you don't know. We have to do the right thing. You see me? And for us to Termite a road, we are do the right thing.
You want some socials?
Yeah, you don't know, you know. Fuzzy Termite Music, Instagram, you know. Facebook, Fuzzy Term, Danville Tyrrell / Fuzzy Termite. You don't know, you see me? You don't know upon every digital media.
Yeah.
You can find the tune them. Just type in Fuzzy Termite. Anyway you type in Fuzzy Termite, you don't know, thing will fly up so you can choose from this. So.
And the name of the
Yeah.
EP again?
The name of the EP, music, me say.
Yep.
And the name of the EP that I'm have to big up every individual DJ give me the strength.
Yeah.
You see me? I go back Crystal Blue one night here and trust me, you know what I mean? I'm the first time I get a little award for something, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Me don't know about me give thanks, you
You
know what I
give
mean?
thanks.
DJ Rick, me give thanks to that platform. Yeah. Movie star Johnny, Gangster Kid, big up yourself, Andrew Fresh, everybody we have the thing them on rotation. And God go with who of them on rotation. Mother Road, God Road, big up yourself. The Liquor
See.
Browning, big up yourself.
Alright.
Dragon, big up yourself. UpNLive,
Yeah.
the place for be. Them get your music across for the world to see.
See.
So like, share and subscribe. Focus. Mother Road, God Road.
No, the biggest drop that we got you know.
Outro, that's the biggest
Outro.
Yeah.
We are gonna use the outro then. We are gonna keep that little clip in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dragon. You know where you go.
Fix things.
Fix things. Anyway, people that was
Wow.
Fuzzy Termite was here. Give thanks for the strength and the EP. Let me get
So people sit there, switch your camera here,
Yep.
you can look. It's here on the camera.
Yep.
You know the EP of music, me say. That's the name of it. So just go out and support that thing. And remember, it's very, very cheap. Me tell you, the music nowadays is cheaper than loaf for bread. So go and support the artist. You know what I mean? Remember, the man spend him hard earning bread.
Me
to
like
put that
track
EP
5.
together. See? So go support the thing. Yeah.
Dragon, read track 5. I like that track 5.
Track 5.
Drink
and
and
celebrate.
celebrate.
Yeah, man.
Wake
Every
up
day,
there.
every day we have
Yeah,
hits.
Anyway, people, this is the part of the show. Dragon part of the show, this, you know.